So in order to download TreeSize free setup, first we have to open a web browser, and then in the search bar we have to write TreeSize free setup. TreeSize free setup. Then we have to go to the TreeSize free jam website. Then here we have to click on free download, then again free download. For our purpose, free download is version is enough. It is of 9 MB. Then we have to click on download and it will start downloading. Here it start downloading. I have already downloaded it. Here I have downloaded it. TreeSize free setup. Now we will install it. English. It's very easy to install. It installed very quickly.